In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom Slack emojis to your team. Adding custom emojis is a simple way to make your Slack workspace feel more personal, more fun, and a lot more useful. Whether you want to upload a company logo, a custom meme, or a helpful icon your team can use in daily conversations, Slack makes the process pretty straightforward. Since custom emojis are shared across the workspace, once you add one, everyone on your team can use it right away. Before you upload anything, the first thing you want to do is make sure your image is formatted correctly. Use a standard image file like a PNG, JPG, or GIF if you want the emoji to be animated. It's also important that the image is perfectly square so it doesn't look stretched or cropped in Slack. A good target size is 128 by 128 pixels. Also, check the file size and keep it under 128 kilobytes. Slack can shrink larger images automatically, but keeping the file small helps avoid upload issues and makes the process smoother. Once your image is ready, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Go into any channel or direct message and click inside the message box. On the right side of the text field, you'll see the smiley face emoji icon. Click that to open the emoji panel. When the emoji drawer appears, look for the option that says Add Emoji. Depending on your layout, it may appear near the top or bottom of the panel. Click it and Slack will open the workspace customization window where you can create your custom emoji. Inside that window, stay on the custom emoji tab and click upload image. Your computer's file browser will open, and from there you can navigate to the folder where your image is saved. Select the image you prepared earlier, then click open or choose to upload it. After the image is uploaded, you'll need to give it a name. In the field labeled Give It a Name, type a short and memorable name that people can easily remember and type in chat. Keep it all in lowercase and do not use spaces. This name becomes the emoji shortcut your team will use inside colons like this, Party Cat. Finally, click the purple Save button in the bottom right corner of the window to finish. To test it, go back to any conversation and type your new emoji shortcut in chat using colons, or open the emoji menu again and find it in the custom emoji section. That is all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.